Have you ever thought about the differences between bonobos and chimpanzees? It's really fascinating how distinct they are despite being so closely related.
Absolutely, it's one of the most interesting comparisons in primatology. For starters, their habitats are quite different. Chimpanzees have a wide range across Central and West Africa, living in various environments from tropical rainforests to savannas. Bonobos, though, are confined to the lowland rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, south of the Congo River.
That geographic separation definitely influences their behaviors and social structures. Physically, they're quite different too. Chimpanzees are more robust and muscular with shorter legs and longer arms. They have prominent brow ridges and more angular facial features. Bonobos, on the other hand, are more slender with longer legs and a more upright posture. Their faces are softer and often a bit darker.
Right, and their behaviors are even more distinct. Chimpanzees live in large, hierarchical communities often dominated by alpha males. These communities can be quite aggressive and competitive. Bonobos, however, are known for their peaceful and cooperative social structures, which are typically led by females. Female bonobos form strong bonds and work together to maintain social harmony.
Bonobos use sexual behaviors to resolve conflicts and strengthen social bonds, which is quite different from chimpanzees. This includes both reproductive and non-reproductive interactions. It's a key part of their social life and helps keep the group cohesive. Chimpanzees, on the other hand, often resort to aggression and dominance displays to settle disputes.
Their communication styles are different too. Chimpanzees have a wide range of vocalizations, like screams, hoots, and grunts, used for different purposes from signaling danger to coordinating group activities. Bonobos tend to use more high-pitched calls and have a more varied range of facial expressions and gestures. Their communication often seems more nuanced compared to the louder chimpanzees.
And then there's their diet. Both species are omnivores, but chimpanzees hunt and eat meat more frequently. They've been observed hunting small mammals like monkeys, often in coordinated group efforts. Bonobos eat more fruits, leaves, and vegetation and are less aggressive hunters. Their foraging is generally more peaceful.
Cognitively, both are incredibly smart, showing many parallels with human intelligence. Chimpanzees are well known for their tool use, like using sticks to fish for termites or stones to crack open nuts. They pass down these skills through generations, indicating a form of cultural transmission. Bonobos also use tools, but to a lesser extent. They excel in empathy, cooperation, and problem-solving, which are crucial for their social structures.
The way they raise their young is different too. Female chimpanzees primarily take on the responsibility of raising their offspring, though they do get some help from the group. Bonobo mothers receive significant support from other females in the group, which helps ensure the survival and well-being of the young. Bonobo mothers even play an active role in their sons' mating success by helping them gain access to females and forming alliances.
That communal approach to child rearing is fascinating. And then there's the hormonal aspect. Research shows that bonobos have higher levels of oxytocin, the bonding hormone, compared to chimpanzees. This likely contributes to their more cooperative and peaceful nature.
By studying these differences, we get incredible insights into human evolution. Chimpanzees, with their aggressive and hierarchical societies, highlight the competitive aspects of human nature. Their tool use and hunting behaviors emphasize the importance of problem-solving and cooperation. Bonobos, with their emphasis on social bonds, empathy, and conflict resolution through peaceful means, challenge our traditional notions of dominance and power.
It's also crucial to consider conservation efforts. Both species face significant threats from habitat destruction, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade. Protecting their habitats and enforcing anti-poaching laws are essential for their survival.
Understanding bonobos and chimpanzees not only enriches our knowledge of these fascinating species, but also offers valuable lessons for humanity. Their distinct social structures and behaviors provide insights into the diversity of primate life and evolutionary forces. By studying them, we can better appreciate the complexity of our own social behaviors and the potential for more harmonious and empathetic societies.
The insights we gain from studying these great apes are invaluable. They help us understand our own nature and evolution, shedding light on how diverse primate life can be. Protecting these species and their habitats is vital for preserving the rich tapestry of life on Earth.
It's amazing how much we can learn about ourselves by studying our closest living relatives. Their stories remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of empathy, cooperation, and understanding in building a better world.
Absolutely. The journey to understand bonobos and chimpanzees continues to teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the complexity of social interactions. Their survival is a testament to the richness of our planet's biodiversity and our responsibility to protect it.
We also can't ignore the impact that studying these apes has on our approach to human health and medicine. By observing their behaviors, social interactions, and even their diseases, we gain valuable insights that can translate into human applications.
That's a great point. For instance, understanding how bonobos manage stress and social bonds through oxytocin can inform research into human mental health. Similarly, observing how chimpanzees use natural remedies to treat ailments can inspire new medical treatments.
And let's not forget their role in educating the public about conservation and the importance of protecting our environment. Zoos and sanctuaries that house bonobos and chimpanzees play a crucial role in raising awareness and funds for conservation efforts.
Indeed, these institutions also provide opportunities for further research and understanding. The more we learn about these incredible creatures, the better equipped we are to ensure their survival and to learn more about ourselves in the process.
It's a continuous cycle of learning and discovery. The challenges they face in the wild highlight the broader issues of environmental degradation and climate change that affect us all.
So true. The fate of bonobos and chimpanzees is intertwined with our own. By protecting them and their habitats, we are also working to preserve the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.
It's a profound reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, not just for these primates but for all species on Earth. The work we do in conservation, research, and education is vital for creating a sustainable future.
Exactly, and every bit of progress we make in understanding these apes brings us closer to understanding the very essence of what it means to be human. Their behaviors, emotions, and social structures reflect so much of our own.
Studying bonobos and chimpanzees is like looking into a mirror, revealing aspects of our own nature that we might not fully appreciate otherwise. They are a living connection to our past and a guide for our future.
As we continue to explore and learn, we must also act. Advocacy, conservation efforts, and responsible research practices are essential to ensure that these magnificent creatures thrive alongside us.
Absolutely. Our commitment to their well-being reflects our broader commitment to the health and harmony of our planet. It's a responsibility we must take seriously for their sake and for ours.
Here's to continuing the journey of discovery and making a positive impact on the world we share with bonobos, chimpanzees, and all living beings.